Are you struggling to keep up with your studies? Do you find it hard to focus and retain information? Well, worry no more. Introducing the Study Skill course designed by Soft Skills and Leadership Development Center of the University of Cambodia. Our course will teach you effective study techniques, time management skills, and leadership skills that will help you excel in your academic and professional life. This course covers a range of topics such as note-taking, time management, prioritizing tasks, and effective communication. You will learn how to stay organized, focused, and motivated so you can achieve your goals and succeed in your studies. No matter what your subject is, our course will help you develop the skills that you need to excel in your academic work. We also offer mentorship services where you can work with a mentor who will help you to develop the skills and guide you towards your academic and career goals. And don't forget about our group projects where you can work with your peers to develop your teamwork and leadership skills. So why wait? Sign up for the Study Skill course today and start taking your academic and professional life to the next level.